Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for link price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the weekly chart, we're looking here at a major impulse 1 2 as expanding flat wave 2 and then 1 2 3 4 5, finishing a wave 3 and then 4 of course, and final impulsive wave to finish this wave 5, finishing with it a wave 1 or a wave A. At both case scenarios, you would like to see 3 corrective waves, and this is exactly what we got, a WX and a Y, well, WXYXZ, actually because of the long corrective wave here that we got, of course. However, it is still corrective. We can consider it as well WXY to simplify this, and just, of course, to move, of course, for higher prices after it. Now, after this big correction or long correction, I would say, we need, of course, definitely to look for higher prices. And here we go. We got a very nice impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing a wave 1 in the orange scenario. And after this, A, B, and a C, finishing a wave 2. Obviously, it is perfect fib level between the green fib level, well, removed for cleaner chart here. So after this, we have, of course, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 continuation toward the upside. Your wave 1 is obviously a leading diagonal. So let's move on the daily chart. It's time to see it a little bit closer. Here we go. On the daily chart, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, your wave 5, of course, can be shorter than your wave 3 and not taking the high. It is very normal for a leading diagonal in a contracting diagonal, of course, to not take the high of your wave 3, but still considered eligible wave 1 as contracting leading diagonal. Therefore, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 4 did not reach, of course, the 0.618, which is, of course, hiring the possibility still that we are, of course, still in an impulse toward the upside for a wave F5 after it and hitting the 0.F5 fib level for a deep wave 4. And of course, based on the Elliott wave theory, the alternation between wave 2 and wave 4 should occur, of course, in an impulse where you have a very shallow wave 2, you would like to have a very long wave 4 and also sharp as well. And here we go. We're moving for higher. We are impulsive, obviously, so we're gonna see what's going on here. For me, it looks like just one leg on the daily, so let's move a little bit to the 1 hour chart to see what is going on. So on the 1 hour chart, let's open our scenarios here on the 1 hour chart. Here we go. This is our wave 4, which it should be taken from your wave 2. And wave 3, actually, here it shows, okay, let me check again. This is a top. Also, this is a wave 2, sorry. This is a wave 2 that we would like to see, of course, not this one. So actually, yeah, the white scenario. Here we go. And yeah, in that case, we will not, of course, hit the 0.618. No invalidation of bearish scenario, as you can see, yeah, of bullish scenario. We were expecting, of course, at this level, we invalidate this bullish scenario towards the upside, and we did not, of course, and we still, of course, looking at higher prices. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Finished wave 1 probably. Now let's take a look here. Okay. Wow. Okay, very choppy, but still impulsive. And 3, 4, and a 5. So finished here. Therefore, A, B, and a C probably not finished. C can be, of course, impulsive, or it can be a contracting diagonal. So let's mark this. So 1, 2, probably finish, 3, 4, 5, looking forward later. And probably here we have finished A, and then B, and then, yeah, sorry, this one, A, B, and a C. So wave 2, by the way, is not finished yet. Probably because if we have here a wave 2, I think the fib levels were not hit perfectly yet. Let's check wave 2 as an impulse. Here we go. Oh, okay. We have hit the 0.38 minimum requirement. Wow. Okay. Very critical price action. So I would say I would say let's wait. Of course, I think this is very sharp. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't look impulsive, even if we hit here, right? It doesn't still looking impulsive. I think we still need one more low, guys. We still need one more low. And I think this is 3 waves down. Let's say 3 waves up, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, exactly. This is what I think. So this is your wave B here, and probably we hit even lower, probably 0 0.5. That is very possible. Let's take a look at KGT. What do we have? Here we go. KGT is always our friend. Now we have a buy signal, which means, of course, impulsive. We are in a wave 1-2 formation, therefore we have to see a buy signal, right? Then we got a divergence, a very strong divergence, and boom, explosion toward the upside. Now there is no convergence between the weak signals, but let's take the strongest. Even with the strongest, there is no convergence. So I would say, guys, yeah, higher possibility to move for higher prices, especially that I see the CVD lines is still moving toward the downside. I see already diversions. I think, yeah, I can see it already on the 15-minute chart, but I know that it is on the 3-minute as well, because I see the CVD line moving down. Here we go. Divergence on the CVD line, and as you can see, moving toward the upside, but we got a sell signal here. Let me check, calculate much more data. Okay, yeah, we have a sell signal on the 3-minute. Obviously, it's a wave C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, as expected, guys. So, yeah, we might be in a very 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towards the downside as an impulse or as contracting diagonal. Probably impulsive because this looks like an impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it gives much more higher possibility for an impulse and moving for lower prices. So, basically, I'm watching the 0.5 fib level first at 21.4. That was it for Link. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.